what's up DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in changing the code on your garage door keyless entry pad, in today's video, we're going to show you how to do that. Let's go outside and get started. All right, YouTubers, outside in the garage now, we have a Craftsman 1/2 horsepower garage door unit. And let's head to the exterior keyless entry pad or unit, whatever you want to call it. And it has the push buttons and enter button. And at the top is a friendly step-by-step instructional guide on how to set or change a keyless entry pin. Number 1, press and release the learn button on motor unit. The learn indicator light will glow steadily for 30 seconds. Within those 30 seconds, very important YouTubers, enter a 4-digit personal identification number or pin of your choice on keypad right down here. Then you will press and hold the enter button, and you will keep holding that, and you're not going to release that enter button until the motor unit lights blink. And at that point, it has learned the code. If light bulbs are not installed, 2 clicks will be heard. That's kind of cool. And it may happen within seconds after holding that enter button. So let's head up the ladder and take a look at the learn button. In our case, we have little plastic push buttons here. Go ahead on each side, release those from the inner tabs. Slowly and carefully lower the plastic housing. And here is your learn button. Do not push and hold, just press it. And now the light is steady. You got 30 seconds, YouTubers. Come over here. And all I'm going to do is enter 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push and hold the enter button. Check that out. You see that blink? From here, we are going to test it. We entered 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. Check that out. We're gonna let it close, and once it closes, we are going to reinsert those 4 zeros. Again, the garage door is fully closed. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4 presses of the 0 and enter. That is all it takes, YouTubers. Again, the most important thing is knowing the code prior to doing this project and knowing that you only have 30 seconds to carefully and safely climb down the ladder, head straight to the keyless entry pad, and type in your 4-digit code. That is it, YouTubers. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us, and we would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and if yours is like us, you have the option or feature to set a temporary pin, meaning in the event that you have someone coming over to the house in a couple hours, you can actually make a temporary pin to give a family member or friend, and you can set the time frame. So in the event that you apply that pin, you can set it to be valid for 2 hours or 6 hours or 12 hours, which is a pretty neat feature. So again, in the event that you want to see us do that, scrolling above is a link. Definitely check that out. Thanks again for watching, YouTubers. Don't forget to carefully climb the ladder and re-secure your plastic cover panel to your light bulb and that learn button. Be careful.